we're gonna go watch Pawpaw snore the paint off the walls.
Got one tape, and now we're getting another one.
I can kind of hear him from here.
Let's go. Okay. Let's go.
Kyla, shh. Start. That was Pawpaw sawing logs right there.
You're going to hell, you know.